In this video, we will delve into the intriguing world of unlocking hidden income through 10 weird ways to make money from home in 2024. Get ready to discover unconventional methods that can potentially transform your financial situation. From quirky side hustles to out-of-the-box income streams, we will highlight practical and creative strategies that you can implement right from the comfort of your home. It's crucial to explore innovative ways to boost your earnings in today's fast-paced world. And these weird yet effective money-making ideas might just be the key to unlocking a new realm of financial possibilities. Weird Way 1. Pet rock painting. Embark on a creative journey with the unique opportunity of painting pet rocks for profit. Source smooth rocks from local suppliers or online stores to kickstart your artistic venture. Utilize non-toxic paint and let your imagination run wild with creative designs that will make these rocks truly appealing. Once your masterpieces are ready, market the painted pet rocks on e-commerce platforms or showcase them at local craft fairs to attract potential buyers. This quirky yet charming way of making money from home is not only fun, but also a great way to showcase your artistic talents while earning some extra income. Weird Way 2. Virtual plant sitting. Delve into the world of virtual plant sitting and discover a unique way to earn by caring for houseplants while their owners are away. Offer your plant sitting services through online platforms or social media, connecting with plant owners seeking reliable care for their green companions. Provide detailed watering schedules, plant care tips, and regular updates to ensure the well-being of the plants under your watchful eye. Build trust with clients by showcasing healthy and thriving plants that have flourished under your care, establishing yourself as a dependable virtual plant sitter in this unconventional yet rewarding niche. Weird Way 3. Mystery shopping online. Dive into the intriguing world of mystery shopping from the convenience of your home with online assignments. Sign up with reputable mystery shopping websites to gain access to a variety of virtual shopping experiences waiting to be evaluated. Assess online shopping platforms based on specific criteria provided, such as website navigation, product quality, and customer service interactions. After completing your virtual shopping missions, submit detailed reports and feedback to the mystery shopping companies. Your insightful evaluations could earn you rewards, payments, or even free products, making this unconventional method a fun and rewarding way to make money from home. Weird Way 4. Customized lullabies. Immerse yourself in the enchanting niche of creating personalized lullabies for children, a heartwarming and creative way to make money from home. Craft soothing and unique lullabies tailored to each child's name, preferences, and bedtime rituals, offering a personalized touch to their nighttime routine. Showcase your musical talent and creativity by providing samples and testimonials of your enchanting lullabies. Market your lullaby creation services through online platforms or social media, connecting with parents who seek a special and memorable musical experience for their little ones. Embrace the magic of music and bring comfort to children with your customized lullabies. Weird Way 5. Virtual feng shui consultations. Step into the realm of virtual feng shui consultations for homes and spaces, offering a unique and insightful service from the comfort of your own home. Dive deep into studying feng shui principles and techniques to provide valuable advice on harmonizing energies in living spaces. Conduct virtual consultations through video calls or online platforms, connecting with clients seeking to enhance the flow of positive energy in their environments. Deliver personalized feng shui reports and recommendations tailored to each client's specific needs, empowering them to create balanced and harmonious spaces that promote well-being and prosperity. Weird Way 6. Quirky knitted creations. Indulge in the art of knitting and unleash your creativity by crafting unique and quirky items for sale, adding a touch of whimsy to the world of handmade goods. Dive into the realm of unconventional knitting patterns and designs, exploring new techniques to bring your imaginative creations to life. From knitted food replicas to quirky hats and unusual accessories, let your needles work their magic in crafting one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out. Showcase your quirky knitted creations on handmade platforms or social media, captivating audiences with your originality and craftsmanship. Embrace the joy of knitting and share your whimsical creations with the world. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel, like I'm doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. Weird Way 7. Virtual book club hosting. Turn your passion for books into a profitable venture by hosting virtual book clubs, creating a literary haven for bookworms to connect and engage. Curate a selection of engaging book titles and establish virtual meeting schedules to bring readers together in a digital space. Monetize your book club by charging membership fees or accepting donations from participants, offering them a valuable and enriching reading experience. Facilitate lively discussions, interactive activities, and foster a welcoming bookish community where members can share their love for literature. Embrace the joy of reading and cultivate a virtual sanctuary for book enthusiasts to thrive and connect. Weird Way 8. Personalized poem writing. Embark on a poetic journey and delve into the art of crafting personalized poems for special occasions, infusing heartfelt sentiments into every verse. Gather intimate details about the recipient to weave a tapestry of emotions and memories, creating meaningful and unique poems that resonate deeply. Offer your bespoke poem writing services for a variety of events, including weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, and more, adding a touch of elegance and personalization to each occasion. Showcase your poetic prowess through personalized poetry samples and rely on word-of-mouth referrals to spread the beauty of your heartfelt creations, establishing yourself as a master of personalized prose. Weird Way 9. Online thrift store curation. Embark on a treasure hunt and explore the world of curating and selling unique thrift store finds through an online platform, turning hidden gems into sought-after treasures. Scout thrift stores and online auctions for vintage items and hidden treasures that capture the essence of nostalgia and uniqueness. Capture the charm of each curated piece by photographing and listing them with detailed descriptions and pricing, enticing potential buyers with the allure of one-of-a-kind finds. Cultivate a loyal customer base by offering quality and curated thrifted treasures, creating a virtual thrift store experience that resonates with vintage enthusiasts and collectors alike. Weird Way 10. Virtual fortune-telling. Step into the mystical realm and offer virtual fortune-telling services that blend entertainment with guidance, providing seekers with mystical insights into their past, present, and future. Immerse yourself in the study of diverse divination methods, such as tarot cards, astrology, palmistry, and more, honing your skills to offer personalized and enlightening readings. Establish an online presence to attract clients in search of mystical guidance, creating an aura of mystery and intrigue around your services. Delve into the cosmic energies and offer virtual readings that captivate and inspire, guiding individuals on their spiritual journey with wisdom and foresight. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 75 to choose from.